let's learn. A lot to learn, a lot. Way too much. Okay. Oh, you're in one try. What? Oh my god. Oh! Almost burned my stuff here. That's right, baby. You're gonna learn today. Maybe this will make me more intelligent. Oh yeah, now I understand. Yeah. Oh my god. I'm like Bill Gates. Whew. I'm gonna invent the new Microsoft Gabarano. Yeah, that would be awesome. I don't want to do this. I'm gonna fail anyway. I can see so far. Yeah, I should learn. I should learn. I wanna learn, but I can't. No. The fuck? Come on. Oops. I said fucking wet. Said fucking wet. Fucking wet. Fucking wet. Somebody Oh, Fanta. It's empty. It's fucking empty. Whoa. This one is huge.
And I will love you. I will always.
I'm gonna fail. The fuck? Yeah. Oh, what we got here? Hyped. Bye, Daddy. The Adventures of Pluto Nash. Undercover Brother. Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. The fuck is this? Scooby-Doo! Scooby-Doo! Shaggy. Heck, Spider-Man 2! Spider-Man! Yeah! Yes! Okay, I should calm down. Yeah. Oh. Fuck! Shit! Fuck! No! Harry Potter. Swag on. Oh. Yeah. Oh, I don't want to learn it. Ah! Message. Okay. All right. Oh, no message. Oh my love. Come on. Woo! Oh, God damn it. No! Fuck you! Oops, I shouldn't say that. Oh! Woo! Woo! That was a... Come on. Dude, come on. Now go down. No! No, I don't want to this anymore. This stupid game, Stickman, Impossible Run. It is impossible. You know what?
And we're gonna let it burn, 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 burn. We're gonna let it burn, burn, burn.
What? God!
I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and give it thumbs up if you liked the video. And if you want to see my sister killing me, click here and subscribe, because I'm just like doing these videos for nothing if you don't subscribe. So please subscribe.